All right, guys, good evening. Welcome back to another, forex trading analysis. So today I'm going to continue with some currency pairs that we have not looked at recently, and that is NJ. We're going to look at NJ, AJ, EC, pound, yen, okay? Okay, because I see a lot of opportunities unfolding on these currency pairs, okay? So guys, we're in New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. All right, so guys, first of all, let's look at the technicals. We'll go to the fundamentals, but let's start with the technicals, okay? Of course, I usually take my top-down analysis from the weekly time frame. I want to look at what this market is doing on the weekly time frame, okay? So you can see on the weekly time frame, the market is bullish, okay? Overly bullish, okay? At this point, the market was ranging, okay? Remember, there was a time I was looking at this instrument and we saw this range structure, okay? It broke out of the range, came back, we tested, and the market is going up, okay? So we have identified a bullish market structure from the weekly time frame, okay? So let's drop down to the daily time frame. Of course, that weekly push will continue, okay, to the upside. That bullish push will continue to the upside, and that's what we're seeing here. All right, so when you look at the market pushed up here and came down. At the moment, the market is ranging, okay? So we're going to look at how far this range would subsist, okay? Now, I take my entries from the 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame, depending if I want to do a swing trade or an intraday or day trading, okay? So let's look at the 4-hour time frame, okay? We've seen that the weekly and the daily are all bullish, okay? We're going to look at movements in this bullish direction for trading opportunity, okay? So you can see, guys, that range structure remains. The market is overly, okay, now in range bound structure, okay? So this is the range, all right? So right here, we might look for trading opportunity. If you like to swing this instrument, you can take your entries from the 4-hour time frame. If you think you have enough time, to stand in front of your screen, you can drop down to the 1-hour time frame. But for me, I want to look for trading opportunity on the 4-hour time frame. That is where we are now, okay? So guys, for this instrument, you can see the market is currently pushing down. I want to see price at this structure level, okay? I want to see price at this structure level. But however, sometimes the price may not get to this level. It could stop somewhere here, the way it did here. It could stop here. It could also bounce off from here. So there's an intermediate level that is very instructive in this market, and that's what we're going to bring out. That level is this level, guys, okay? We're going to bring it out. Don't worry. I'll straighten that trend line. Okay, so copy this and paste it here so that you have a horizontal line, okay? All right, so we are going to be looking at this level because over time, the market has shown some level of resistance. Price has, gotten here and pulled back, gotten here and bounced off, okay, to the downside. So this level is very instructive, but I want to make it a dotted line, okay? I want to make that level a dotted line, okay? All right, so here we are. That is where the price is at the moment, okay? So guys, up here, from the higher time frame structure, this market is bullish. So let's try and zoom out on this market and see what the market is also doing from the 4-hour time frame, okay? When we look at the 4-hour time frame, we see that overly the market is bullish. Guys, let me show you what I mean, okay? The market is bullish. This is the market structure, okay? This is the market structure. But at the moment, price pull down and enter the range, and possibly to break out of this range and continue the uptrend, okay? So that is all. We remain in this range and continue to the downside, and thereafter we break to the upside and continue the the bullish movement. Okay, so any of these things could happen. All right, so let's delete this and zoom in on the chart again so that we can mark up our chart properly. Right, so this is where we are now. Okay, so we're expecting price to show us some action here. We need to see some price action here, that is indicative of perhaps a bearish reversal, okay, with some candle pattern indications, so that we can look for a sell opportunity. Otherwise, we wait for price to break out from this major range and we'll look for trading opportunity. Okay, for me, we're going to focus on this structure here. Okay, let me show you what I mean, guys. We're going to focus on that level here. We're going to put our attention here. We want to see what price will do here in the meantime. Okay, so our focus here, let me make this thicker. All right, fine. Okay, so attention is going to be here. I want to see what price is going to do here. While this is going on, let's bring out the currency pair for visibility. Okay, let's bring out the currency pair for visibility. Okay, NZDJPY. All right, this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, I do this because it's easier for my audience to see the currency pair, this way that we're looking at or we're analyzing. Okay, so what we're looking for here, we're looking for a shorting opportunity, guys. We're looking for a shorting opportunity. What that means is that we're looking for opportunity at this level and price will push down here. Okay, or possible to the nearest structure. Okay, I want to make this black, guys. I want to make this black. Okay, all right, and I want to make it not a dotted line. Okay, right, so here we're expecting further price action, guys. Okay, that's what I mean by this. We want price to show us further indication of what it intends to do. All right, so we're expecting further price action here. Okay, and to the downside. All right, to the downside. Okay, just follow me, guys. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so price is going to push down to this level. Okay, so this is where we are. Let me position this here. All right. Okay, this is where we are. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a shorting opportunity in this market from this range structure. Okay, let's look for shorting opportunity. Okay, let's look for shorting opportunity in this market. Okay, guys. Okay, all right, so what else? Let me just quickly copy some. Let me just quickly copy some information from here. Okay, just watch me the way I do my thing, guys. Okay, copy this, come back here. Say no, come back here. Okay, I can duplicate this, guys. Okay, I duplicate this, I bring it here. Okay, I paste this right in here, reduce it to 8 pixels. Okay, all right, so guys, this is what I want to achieve. Okay, so here we're looking for sell opportunity. Okay, at the moment price is doing its thing. We're going to allow it to do its thing, put our focus here, As soon as we see the right signal, we add our confirmation indicators. Our confirmation indicators are just used for confirmation's sake to add confluence to our trade, okay? So I want to see price action patterns like shooting star, hanging man, bearish engulfing, okay? Dark cloud cover, all these other candlestick patterns, okay? When I see them here around this zone, then I look for trading opportunity, okay? So guys, that is all I have for you in this video. I hope you understand this analysis. I hope you follow me all through until we get to the entry point. When we get to the entry point, I will do another video to show you how I take my entries, how I place my stop loss, how I place my take profit target, and how I manage risk, All right, so guys, thank you very much. That's all I have for you today. Do have a blessed day. Bye-bye.